Eric, what are you doing?
I'm just trying to help these boats, protect them from hackers, for the new IMO 2021 rules on cybersecurity.
Eric, you know that we help boats do that. We have a whole suite of
You
cybersecurity
do?
services to help them. Yeah.
Well, that's good because I don't really know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I can see that. There's a lot of stuff, Eric, that we do to help the boats to get in compliance very quickly with all of the rules with IMO 2021. We have contacts with flag states, with the insurance companies, with everybody to put the package together to help them out.
Oh, well, that's good to know. I wish you told me that a couple hours ago. What should they do to get started?
Hey, the first thing is to contact us so we can put together an assessment to see where we're at, and then from there help them add what they need to their ISM.
Okay, I mean that sounds good. I'm just gonna finish one.
Sure, you get after it
thing
and
here
do whatever you need to do.